keep running her around, she wanna get hit. Ever since I was a kid, I've been a G. If I was you, I would cut up my wrist. I'm so tired all over her body. She was swallowing all my mind. Ever since I was a G.